Good morning, students of class 7, Rose and Jasmine. Myself, Priyanka Ghosh, and welcome to our GK classes. So, today we learn the chapter Sports for Fitness, page number 17 and 18, page number 18, Famous Painters. Okay, so everybody take out your book and let's start. Sports for Fitness. Okay, page number 17. Last day I given this chapter as your homework, right? So I hope you read this chapter in your home. So today I will discuss this chapter. Sportsters have always known the importance of fitness today. Ordinary people also use many ways to stay fit and healthy. Let's learn more about some of them. Okay, so number one is Pilates. Pilates is a system of exercise based on aerobic and Surya Namaskar. This is the most important line, so I get it underlined. It was designed in the early 20th century Germany by Joseph Pilates to help returning war veterans regain their health. Precise movement stretch and strengthen key muscles and bring body and mind into alignment. Okay, next number 2. This is the most important line. You people just read this question, so it's okay. Okay, next is calisthenics. Calisthenics, the word meaning beauty and strength in Greek. The originated in Australia. It is encouraged strength, balance, coordination and self-discipline through a series of light dance and gymnastics routines, all done to music. Okay. Next, number 3, weight training. Weight training involves the use of high weight while exercising. Small weights are attached to your hands and legs to make exercise more difficult. This increases both strength and fitness. Athletes regularly train with weights to improve their stamina. Okay, you people just read these portions. Okay, aerobics. We all know about aerobics. Aerobics is any form of exercise that makes your heart rate go up and makes your breath harder. This is very good for overall health. Swimming, cycling, walking, jogging are all aerobic in nature. Step aerobic makes use of stepper, which you step on and off to do exercise. Okay. Next, number 4, circuit. Circuit training involves doing a series of carefully selected exercise. In order that a circuit be completed. A circuit contains both strength and endurance aerobic exercise. It is flexible and can adapt it to different level of fitness. Okay. Next, number 5, Taekwondo. A traditional martial art from Korea has become popular everywhere. It is aimed not only at training one's mind and body but also building character. Okay. Next, number 4, 5, 6, 7. The Alexander technique help a person rethink the the relationship between head, neck and back. The aim is to stretch the spine and thereby improve posture and balance. Okay, this is the Alexander technique. Next, aqua aerobics. Aqua aerobics is aerobics but perform in water. It involves greater effort as you have to work against pressure to water too. Okay. Tai Chi. Tai Chi, an ancient Chinese art, uses gentle following exercise which are linked to breathing. The exercise help you to improve balance, fitness and combat stress. Okay. So read these underlines very carefully. Okay, move to the next chapter. Okay, let's start. Famous painters, page number 18, today's last chapter. Okay, India has produced many great painters. Read the clues and write the names of these stalwarts of paintings. Okay, number 1. He painted in a modern style, but his themes were taken from Indian mythology. He received the Padma Bhushan in 2007. The name is Tayub Mehta, T-Y-E-B Mehta, M-E-H-T-A. Okay. Number 2. He is one of the first painters to use traditional Indian colors such as pink, red and violet. Besides nature, flute often appears in his works. The name is Manjit Bawa, M-A-N-J-I-T, Manjit Bawa, B-A-W-A. This is his picture. Okay. Next, number 3. She was the first Indian artist to bring Indian and Western art together. She passed away at the young age of just 28. Very young. So, the name is Amrita Shergill, A-M-R-I-T-A, Shergill, S-H-E-R-G-I-L. Okay. Next, number 4. He used very rich color in his paintings. Most of the paintings have a circular bindu, which according to him as a symbol of energy and creativity. He was awarded Padma Bhushan in 2007 and Padma Vibhushan in 2013. The name is Syed Haidar Raza, famous painter. Okay. Next, number 5. She is one of the Indians' leading painters. She paints with oil and watercolors and is a well-known muralist. She is recipient of the Padma Shri. Okay, the name is Anjali Ila Menon. Anjali Ila Menon. A-N-G-O-L-I-E. Anjali Ila E-L-A Menon. M-E-N-O-N. M-E-N-O-N. Menon. Okay, number 6. He was one of the notable painters of Bengal school. He mostly painted themes from Indian mythology. Bold lines, bright colors and famous fingers characteristics each painting that. The name is very common Jamini Roy. He is the famous Jamini Roy. Okay, Jamini-Roy. Number 7. Popularly known as Khan Thakur, he mainly used water colors in his painting. Most of these paintings are based on Indian spiritual values. The name is none other than Abanindranath Thakur. A-V-A-N-I-N, Abanindra, D-R-A, Abanindra Nath, N-A-T-H, Abanindranath Tagore, T-H-G-O-R-E, Tagore, Abanindranath Tagore. Okay, so that's it. Take care and bye bye.